beautiful people. How are all my beautiful BeRisers doing? Good. I wanted to bring you along with me today, show you what I typically eat in a day and what I start my mornings off. So it's early morning here. I'm gonna be starting to work out, build some muscle. I wanna really get into snowboarding this winter. So I wanna start building, and I wanna build with high quality, nutritious foods. So I'm gonna show you guys that today. And first thing in the morning, a lot of my bees know, I start with water, but not just any kind of water. What we do here is we add in some lemon juice. So what I typically do, you guys, is squeeze about half a lemon in here. Okay, so we get all that beautiful, beautiful juice. Lemons, high in vitamin C. They are a powerful fruit, really good astringent factor, so they're really good cleaners of the body. Important factor. Add in with that Concord grape juice. For whatever reason, you guys, this particular combination is really good for cleaning out your bowels. So first thing in the morning, this is what I do. So I just mix this up because there are some crystals on the bottom. So just give that a good mix. And then this is what it looks like. I just pour a little bit, fill it pretty much right up to the top. This is how I start my day. So cheers to you guys, to enjoying a beautiful day ahead. So after that workout, I'm really thirsty. So I'm gonna do a favorite of mine, and you guys will, some of you may recognize it from other videos I've done, but I promise you the next couple meals are different. So stay tuned for those meals, and let's get into a juice. The next meal, it's not grapes, but I do, you guys know I love grapes. I would say my second favorite fruit is pumpkin. So this is one of my favorite times of year. I actually love how you kind of just flow with the seasons, flow with nature, providing you with fruit. There's a fruit for every season, and it's pumpkin. So what we got here, you guys, okay, I gotta show you. Okay, I am soaking some Coronation grapes right there. But today's meal, we have pumpkin. We're doing a smoothie, so I have 2 frozen bananas, and I have a bunch of chia seeds, complete source of protein, hemp seed, and those are really good for building muscle, working out. We also have dates and some almond milk, and then we're topping it off with some cinnamon and nutmeg, and this is going to give it that pumpkin pie taste, and it's gonna be so delicious. I know it already. This one is actually in my ebook, so I'm giving you guys you know, just a glimpse of one of the recipes in my ebook. And I am working on a recipe book at the moment, so stay tuned for that. Let's blend this up. All right, my friends, we are heading into dinner, and tonight's meal is quinoa with lots of vegetables. And I am using a bit more fat than usual, but going into this winter season, I am wanting a bit more fat. So I'm getting that with the coconut meats and the avocados, as well as some nuts. So enjoy this next meal. I just love to just sit back, relax, watch some cutting of vegetables. I just find it really relaxing, and I hope you do as well. So while I'm finishing dinner, I thought I would just plug in my meals in Cronometer just to show you the nutrient breakdown. Already I put it in my oranges, grapefruit, the super delicious smoothie I had, which I'll probably be having for the rest of October. And I thought I would show you guys right there, just adding in my first two meals. We met our iron requirements, our calcium requirements. Look at that fiber, all that vitamin A, which is really good for my skin. Vitamin C and folate are doing magnificent. We've almost met all our protein requirements and our minerals and vitamins. So that's looking fantastic. So let's just add in the dinner. We got 33 grams of protein already. So dinner, we're going to add in some quinoa, cooked quinoa. And I'd say I had about a cup, maybe a cup and a half of quinoa. We'll add that. I had mixed veggies in there. Let's say mixed vegetables. Had about I would say 2 cups of mixed veggies. We had some sweet potatoes. We'll go with a cup. Had an avocado, which is really good for the skin as well. And then a beet cooked. So we'll go with 1 beet. I also added in some mixed greens. So that was chard, spinach, yeah, it's President's Choice here. We'll go with half a container. What else did I add in, you guys? Oh yeah, coconut milk. Coconut milk. It wasn't fortified, so had about a cup of coconut milk, and then also added in some chickpeas. This says 1 tablespoon. I'm going to go with a cup of chickpeas. Mind you, that was a cup for the whole meal, so we'll add in maybe about a half a cup. And let's see here. We got the veggies, the quinoa, the sweet potato, avocado, the beet, and I think that was pretty much it, you guys. So let's take a look. Iron, calcium is looking fantastic. Look at that, you guys. We met all of our protein requirements. We've met almost all of our mineral requirements. I don't worry about sodium, selenium. You know, the chia seeds really really helped out for the selenium. Vitamin D, I do supplement in the wintertime up north here, but everything else is looking fantastic. So this is usually, you know, a typical day when I'm working out and really want to see that iron up there, especially, you know, working out. And I think that's pretty much it. So look at that, you guys, just eating a variety of plant foods. You can meet all of your nutritional requirements and feel really good and healthy. So that's, you know, just what I want to share with you guys. If you guys want to see more videos like this where I share meals and the nutrient breakdown, give this video a thumbs up. Just let me know. And I hope this helps you out. So thanks so much for tuning in. And as always, be alkaline, be your beautiful selves, and be getting out and enjoying some nature today.